Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from Bitmart to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just manage your assets more efficiently, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency, and moving it between exchanges like Bitmart and Gemini is easier than you might think. But remember, always double-check everything to keep your funds secure. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Bitmart and Gemini. Log into your Bitmart account and head over to the Wallets, or Assets, section. Here, you'll see your BNB balance. Before we proceed, verify that you have enough BNB to cover any withdrawal fees. Typically, these are around 0.1% or a fixed amount, so keep an eye on that. Next, navigate to the Withdraw option for BNB. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount and the destination address. Now, switch over to your Gemini account. Log in, go to your wallet, and copy the BNB deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's correct to avoid any mishaps. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. Once you've filled in the details, including any two-factor authentication codes if required, hit the Withdraw button. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. The transfer time can vary, but it usually takes anywhere from 10 minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. After initiating the withdrawal, head back to Gemini and check your account. You should see the BNB arriving soon. Pro tip: enable withdrawal confirmations on Bitmart for added security, and never share your private keys or passwords. And there you have it. That's how you transfer BNB from Bitmart to Gemini in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.